Hello, my name is Aviaya. I'm CEO and co-founder of Grain. In Grain, we are upcycling spent brewers' grain. I'm very happy and proud to be here today, and I want to thank the Blendnub team and the EIT Food for their confidence and their trust in what we're doing in Grain. But I want to take a step back, because the food system is broken. There's a gigantic discrepancy between what is needed, what is available from nature, and the nutrients that we can find. The food system is broken. According to the World Bank, and Andreas already mentioned this, malnutrition is one of the world's greatest, but also least addressed challenges, development challenges. And the human and economic consequences fall hardest on women, on the poor, and on children. We need to face this challenge if we want the world to continue as it is. In Grain, we are producing nutrient-rich, functional flour, high on protein and high on fibers. We are doing this from a plant in Copenhagen, where we are now producing up to 40 tons per month. We are making the world a better place. I'm a little off today, I'm sorry. When we look at the food system, we have a lot of opportunity to change the way things are by working together in developing new ways of managing our side streams. Madeline already told us that brewer spent grain is a huge side stream. There are more than 40 million tons available worldwide. And all we need to do is to dry up the grains and mill them into flour. And then we have a very easy to apply and versatile ingredient that can go into every kind of applications that we need across the world. So together with Blendnub, we are developing the world's best sourdough bread, high on nutrients, rich in aroma, and just super delicious. And we want to thank Blendnub for the challenge, and we are looking forward to working with you. Thank you.